This video has been developed as a guide to help you submit for your Maryland Wear and Carry Permit, also known as the Maryland Handgun Permit. If you watched our previous video on creating your licensing portal account, you'll note that the first time you sign into the licensing portal, you must do so using the email sent to you by the Maryland State Police, as shown here. If you've already activated your account, a simple Google search of Maryland State Police licensing portal will take you where you need to go. Simply click the link, select Login, put in your username and password, and sign in. Once you're in, your screen will look like this. You'll select Start HGP for Handgun Permit and begin. You will note that your information will come up on the screen, or at least most of it. Some of it may be missing, and you'll have to fill that in. The first page contains your personal information, things like name, address, phone number, date of birth, things like that. Once you're done with the first page, scroll down and you'll click Next. The second page will ask you if you're a law enforcement officer or if you want the permit for personal protection. Unless you're a law enforcement officer, you will choose personal protection. The next portion covers fee exemptions, which may or may not apply to you. And then application type. If this is your first handgun permit, you'll choose original, and it will set the fee, in this case $75. If you're completing a renewal application, then you would choose renewal. Then click Next. The next section is going to ask you a series of questions. You must answer all questions accurately and honestly. When asked for the reason for your permit, you will write personal protection. Then click Next to go to the next section. The next section covers employment information. Just follow the prompts and fill in the information it asks for. Once this section is complete, hit Save. Then you can go to Next. This section asks for domestic relationships. Just complete what is applicable and then move on. In the following section, it's going to ask for references. You'll need to choose 3 references that are not related to you that you've known for at least 2 years. Put in the information it asks for, and then you can move on. Once you've entered your 3 references, you can click Next. The Documents section is where you will upload your electronic documents, such as your photograph. It'll need to be a passport type photograph. If you don't have a digital passport photograph, no problem. Take a picture with your phone, use an app to crop it down to passport dimensions, and then upload it. Next, you're going to have to provide proof of your training. First, you'll select the instructor, which will be Dwayne Urban, if you came through Urban Defense. And then you will attach the certification document that was given to you at the completion of your training. Next, you'll attach a scan of the paperwork that you received when you were fingerprinted. Then you can scroll down and click Next. The summary screen shows what is complete and what is incomplete. Once everything is complete, you can click Next. The signature page is where you will submit your electronic signature. Fill in everything that it asks for, then click Pay and Submit to Maryland State Police. When you click that box, you'll be directed to a section where you can make your electronic payment. And then you're done. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. For questions or to sign up for firearms training, please feel free to reach out to us at www.urbandefense.org.